Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to use the rescue mode in Virtfusion. After logging into Virtfusion, select the virtual machine that needs to be booted into rescue mode and click Manage. Next, in the Media tab, under CD or DVD-ROM, select System Rescue 10. Then, click Insert. In the boot order section, choose CD or DVD, and click Apply. Next, restart your VPS in the control panel. Then go to the Options section and click Enable VNC Access. Then click on Browser VNC and leave it as default. After connecting to VPS via VNC, you can change the VPS password. Next, configure the network so that VPS can access SSH. You can run the following command. Now, you can access your VPS using a free simple SSH client program. You can list your partitions to retrieve the name of the partition you need to mount. Next, you can mount the partitions you want to mount using the mount command in SSH. And your partition will now be mounted. Next, you can use the SFTP protocol via Bitwise SSH to take the backup of your data. Once opened, on the right side, you can access the mounted partition. On the left side, you can create a folder on your PC to take the backup. Now, drag and drop the data that you need from the right to the left. And wait until it finishes. Once you are done with the backup, you can now disable rescue mode. Upon disabling rescue mode, the virtual machine will be rebooted into your primary operation system. After that, you can reinstall your VPS in the Virtfusion control panel.